Hey everybody, it's me. I'm about to head home in a few. It's cold outside. I'm hoping possibly to meet up with Hannah, possibly tomorrow night. That's if my car is good to go. Apparently there's an issue with my car in which for now I'm not going to go into detail. We'll save that for another time there. But I will talk about something that occurred this past Tuesday evening at St. Andrews Hall back in Detroit. A rapper named Baby Keem was given a show over there. And apparently, I guess according to a song I remember hearing back in the early 2000s, when the Backstreet Boys, Britney Spears, Pop Explosion was running amok, the term, the club is jumping, was taken to a whole new level. Apparently, something within the floor frame broke, from what I understand, and the floor literally was bouncing up and down from the people jumping up and down. Now, there's an 11-second video taken from downstairs at a club called The Shelter underneath, a place I used to go to many times in the 1990s there, especially on Wednesday nights when DJ Quig was there. It was a bit, you look up at the roof and it was literally going up and down. Now, as a result of this, Baby Keem had to stop the show early for everyone's safety. St. Andrews Hall in general has now been deemed unsafe for the time being. Upcoming shows that's going to be held at that venue has now been canceled or postponed. Anyone who has tickets to any of those shows there, I don't know which one is which. I haven't been there since 2004. They'll all be, of course, refunded to whoever purchased tickets. And right now, the place is under investigation to see what the fuck happened. Rumor has it that possibly some joint in the floor frame must have broke. And there's also speculation that possibly the attendance of people for that Baby Keem show was way over 1,000. Too much to handle. And 1,000 is a number of people that venue can handle. So possibly if that was the case, the show may have been over-promoted. But then again, you know how some promoters are. They want to make that extra money, want to make that big buckaroos. So again, any shows at St. Andrews Hall have been canceled or postponed for the moment there until the investigation is done. Now, like I said earlier, I've not been at St. Andrews Hall since 2004. I used to see many shows at that place. Skinny Puppy, Frontline Assembly. I remember seeing Kristen Cozy. I remember seeing Christian Death. I remember seeing all these groups, local groups like Loud House, the Trash Brats. Many bands I've seen at that venue there. I miss that place. You know, I miss, Detroit, but what can I say or do? Detroit was not what it used to be when I left back in 2014. So, enough of that. About to head home, relax. Leave your thoughts and comments below about this situation here. Also, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell as well. All right? You guys have yourselves a great weekend. Bye-bye.